Guys, so I'm playing Fridge horror game. We have to find the horror part in this game.
Well,
No matter how much she tried to comfort her beloved child, they wouldn't stop crying. The confused mother didn't realize how terrifying her own face was.
We never cry.
I won't notice the one person's head. I don't care what the person next door is doing. This way, I won't notice that one person's head and body are facing different directions. Look at this old lady. She's walking with her dead husband. Grandma often takes walks while pushing a wheelchair. She had long been accustomed to her husband sitting there, accompanying her over 50 years. But now, oh my days, that person. Question, something is wrong. How?
With the American Express Platinum Card, you can unlock over $1,500.
One of the people had just been pushed from the apartment building and died instantly. She had secretly been dating a popular male idol, which led to her being punished by her peers. Little bro, I see that rope. The man nearby helped me fix my bicycle. By the way, he seemed to be holding a string. What was that? Huh, wait, the brakes aren't working. The cause was carbon monoxide poisoning due to the exhaust vent being blocked by snowballs. This was a result of a child's prank. Ayu.
We're the Blowy Busters. We eat straight rocks. We catch you bullying, we'll knock off your socks. Yo, what's good? My name is Chester. Say a bad word and you're gone for the semester. Hey, hello. My name's Wayne. Mess with my friends and you'll feel the pain. What's up, my homies? The name is Jamie. Why be a goon? You can get more brainy.
The mother couldn't accept that her daughter had passed away. This year, she celebrated the birthday of her eternally young daughter once again. This family just returned from a trip, but the window leading to the garden was open. If it were only in thieves stealing items, it wouldn't be so bad, but the terrifying thing is that the intruder might still be inside. Trusto doesn't have the risk.
let's watch some crazy stuff, yo! Jeez, Rick, oh my god!